Session limits and scope. Last lesson of this module. Practical rules for keeping sessions tight and for recognizing when they are getting away from you. Useful stuff. Scope review. A session is keyed by channel, account, and user or group. So every distinct combination of those three creates a new session unless the DM scope policy collapses them. Got it. Session limits. These live per channel in the channel configuration block. History limit. How many recent messages the channel layer keeps and ships to the agent on each response. Default 50. DM. History limit. Same idea, but specifically for direct messages. Often higher than the group default because DMs are conversational and benefit from longer context. Text chunk limit. The maximum size of a single text chunk the channel layer will send. Default 4000 characters. Above that, the message gets chunked. Chunk mode. How the channel layer splits long messages. Length by character count. New line on paragraph breaks. Other channel specific values. Media max MB. The maximum size in megabytes of any media attachment the channel layer will accept. Default 25. Above that, the media is rejected or summarized. Require mention boolean. Whether to require an @mention or mention pattern before delivering a message to an agent. We covered this back in Module 5, Lesson 3. Worth setting per group on noisy channels. Discord-specific session commands from inside a Discord chat /session idle, followed by a duration, sets the idle reset for that session. /session max age, followed by a duration, sets the max age. So you can override session behavior on a per thread basis from the chat itself. No configuration edit needed. Pretty slick. Now, when sessions are getting away from you, let me give you the symptoms to watch for. Symptom 1. Slow responses. The model is loading too much context every turn. Drop history limit or split a long-running thread into a fresh session with /new. Symptom 2. The agent forgets things you said earlier in the conversation. The history limit is too low or context got compacted. Bump history limit or move the thing you want remembered into memory markdown so it actually persists. Symptom 3. The agent brings up things from yesterday that should not be relevant. Daily reset is not enabled or your memory markdown is loading too much. Tighten one or both. Symptom 4. Group chat sessions accumulate forever and the agent gets confused. This is where reset policies and require mention combine to keep things sane. Daily reset clears the context. Require mention prevents ambient noise from getting into the context in the first place. 2 layers of defense. / commands you can use in chat to inspect and control sessions. /status prints session info inline. /reset clears the current session. /new starts a fresh session in the same scope. /session with various subcommands controls session settings. Worth memorizing the /status one. You will use it constantly. That closes Module 6. In the next module, we move into channels in detail. The common channel configuration shape, then per channel guides. I will see you there.